Hello, my name is Verena Hahn and I'm pleased to present to you the ProStream 2000 series. I will give you an overview about what the ProStream can offer you for your business and walk you through the most important technology features behind it. Would you like to learn more about how the ProStream can support your business? Then I'd like to encourage you to book your individual and in-depth customer demonstration via your Canon sales representative. The ProStream 2000 is the third family member based on the ProStream technology introduced in 2017. The second member, the ProStream 3000, was introduced in February 2023. With the ProStream 3000, we didn't just introduce a new product, we also introduced a new hardware platform compared to the predecessor ProStream 1000 series. This new platform comprises an enhanced and more efficient drying system. This allows the ProStream 3000 to support also heavier paperweights at faster speeds. Papers at up to 235 grams per square meter can be printed at speeds up to 133 meters per minute. For 300 GSM papers, we could increase the speed from 40 to 80 meters per minute. Thanks to the more efficient drying, we can now introduce the ProStream 2000. It covers the same paperweight production speed range as the ProStream 1000 series, but at a significantly reduced footprint and reduced infrastructure requirements. Canon doesn't believe in the one-size-fits-all solution, and that is why we have such a broad portfolio of inkjet printing systems covering both sheet-fed and web-fed systems and systems focusing on applications on uncoated and coated papers. With these systems, we have an excellent offering for business communication companies as well as commercial printing companies. If you are active in the business communication area, you might want to expand beyond traditional print shops, such as reports, invoices and statements on uncoated papers, to premium direct mail, brochures and newsletters on coated papers. The ProStream 2000 is the ideal solution for you as it offers the ability to print on both coated and uncoated papers at an attractive cost-performance ratio. If you are a commercial printer, the ProStream 2000 is ideally suited for you if you are looking for a unique combination of superior print quality, productivity and media flexibility, and if the majority of papers you use are in the range of up to 150 GSM. Furthermore, the ProStream 2000 will appeal to book printers who principally produce applications on uncoated media but are looking to diversify into coated media. All print service providers active in these fields are looking for a cost-efficient and flexible means of production, which we now can offer with the ProStream 2000. Let's take a closer look at our industrial speed web-fed inkjet press, a one of its kind in the market. The ProStream comprises two print towers. It is available in two models, the ProStream 2080 and the ProStream 2133. Following the Canon investment protection philosophy, field upgrades from ProStream 2080 to 2133 are of course possible. The ProStream 2000 offers a productivity of up to 80 meters per minute, and the ProStream 2133 runs up to 133 meters per minute, always maintaining offset quality. The system is equipped with native 1200 dpi printheads, delivering superior print quality for a wide range of applications, including premium and high-volume direct mail, books, catalogs and magazines. The huge format range from 556 mm up to 1.5 meter enables efficient production of standardized and customized formats, fully variable and beyond B2. Next to the print formats, the media flexibility is key. The ProStream supports an impressive range, including standard offset gloss, silk, matte papers, in combination with media weights as low as 28 GSM, up to 150 GSM at full productivity, and up to 300 GSM at reduced speed. The ProStream 2000 comprises a new water-based polymer pigment ink set. This ink is faster drying and, together with the optimized drying, allows for a generally reduced drying time and therefore significantly reduced footprint of the ProStream 2000 compared to the ProStream 3000. Let's start our demo at the beginning, where the paper enters the printer, the unwinder. As a web-fed press, the ProStream requires an unwinder. Unwinder and rewinder solutions by Hunkela and Technow have been certified as preferred partner equipment. In addition, the ProStream can be linked to zero-speed splicers available from Hunkela, Technow or ContiWeb for even higher productivity, especially for inline configurations. Although being a web-fed system, the ProStream's output is mostly sheets. With an output of 11,300 B2 sheets per hour, the ProStream is absolutely comparable to the output capacity of a sheet-fed offset press. While an offset press can only handle one sheet size at a time, ProStream can produce various sheet sizes in one run, fully variable and personalized. In addition, due to the high uptime of ProStream and the minimum paper waste for the setup, the overall equipment efficiency is significantly higher than offset. That means that ProStream can easily be integrated into existing sheet-based workflows. The ProStream supports web width up to 558 mm and print width of up to 556 mm. It is also able to handle dynamically varying format length. All jobs that need to be printed on the same paper can be bundled and printed one after the other without stopping the system, independent of the format length. Printing on the web, we are also independent of the sheet length. This allows you to optimize the impositioning and by doing so achieve a better efficiency in paper usage. All of these things contribute to optimizing your costs. With a roll-fed system, print width is the only limit. Demonstrated here is the capacity for limitless printing in terms of length. The example runs 3 meters long. In the past, the industry believed that the controller's maximum manageable length was 60 inch or 1.5 meters. Canon has devised a method that permits the seamless alignment of images, thus eliminating visible gaps between them and consequently expanding the potential printable length. This breakthrough paves the way for new business prospects, including high-quality photo printing, eye-catching point-of-sale materials, and distinctive promotional items. Duplex printing in this mode is of course also possible, even though it is a bit more complex. Here, images are resized, which requires precise adjustments to maintain seamless images without any wide gaps, a principle we term as zero gap. Now, let's move to the heart of the system, the print unit. Customer feedback has revealed that the color gamut and consistency, detail sharpness and registration accuracy of the ProStream is on par with offset. In addition, the ProStream being an inkjet system, the repeatability and consistency of this high-quality output is guaranteed without the need for constant calibration. Here you see the print unit. To ensure jetting accuracy and print quality, the gap between the paper and the print heads is kept as narrow as possible. Sensors inside the print unit observe the print conditions such as humidity, ink temperature and print head temperature in order to keep the print quality stable from the first to the last print. The ProStream uses native 1200 dpi piezo drop-on-demand print heads and a proprietary water-based pigment ink set. The combination of print heads and inks, multi-level printing, color grip and the top-class drying technology guarantees the ProStream's vibrant colors, sharp details and a color gamut beyond offset standards. Let me briefly explain what we understand by multi-level printing. Multi-level is a Canon proprietary technology to print with different droplet sizes instead of just one. This results in sharper details, smoother gradients and homogeneous full coverage areas. A screening process in the controller determines the optimum droplet size required to achieve the best print quality. A further guarantor of our print quality is our color grip technology, which keeps inks closer to the surface, such that they maintain their color brilliance. At the same time, it reduces the risk of nozzle failure during production, as well as the paper deformation during the drying process. This is an important benefit if you print on lightweight papers. You are able to adjust the application quantity of color grip in the white areas according to your needs. Reducing the application quantity reduces the cost, and increasing the application quantity in the white area has a positive effect on lay flat requirements. Automated maintenance routines make sure that the nozzles are cleaned without any operator intervention in a fast, reliable, and productive way. Another aspect of delivering superior quality on a broad media range, and maybe the most challenging one, is drying. The press comprises of proprietary and very sophisticated air drying technology. Air drying allows consistent and controlled drying of all inks, so you can print on a wide range of paper without compromising the high standards of the finished output. Hot air is circulated inside the system and blown onto the paper from both sides. This keeps the web floating and heats it up gradually to the required drying temperature. The drying temperature is sensor controlled and automatically adapted to maintain the optimum web temperature. Right after the drying, there is an integrated water-based cooling. The paper temperature is brought down to make sure that the climate in Tower 2 is the same as in Tower 1 in order to enable equal print quality results. After the cooling, the paper is guided underneath the printer into the second tower. During this time, the paper has time to cool down more and also to absorb humidity from the surrounding environment, which also helps to minimize curl. As you can see, the printed side of the paper doesn't get in contact with any part of the printer until it is dried. The printed image, as well as the paper surface itself, are protected. This is especially important for sensitive, high-quality gloss or matte-coated papers. If you have very high print quality requirements or seek to automate print quality assurance, we offer an inline quality control system. A scanner mounted inside the printing system checks quality assurance test sheets. Once it notices a failing or misdirected nozzle, the inline quality control system will automatically compensate for that nozzle without any manual intervention. The scanner also enables nozzle uniformity control, which will make sure that all nozzles are aligned to achieve a better homogeneity in lighter shadings such as sky or skin tones. High speed and availability of a printing system is only one part of the real productivity, as the system can only print as fast as the data is being rasterized and transferred to the print heads. In the ProStream 2000 series, the high productivity is driven by the latest generation of the SRR MP controller, a technology built upon more than 25 years' experience. The controller is scalable, which means it can be adjusted to the printing speed, resolution, and color mode, and the demands of the application being processed. The hardware platform rasterizes color planes in parallel and can thus generate fully variable images to be printed at full rated speed. The rip-while print process of the ProStream workflow delivers high performance for mass customization in print. Combined with the Prisma Production high-performance workflow and output management platform, Canon offers an efficient printing system with best-in-class productivity through a robust production workflow and printer technology. Easily send PDF files straight to the press and manage production right where it happens. On the backside of the system, you find the ink supply system. It is equipped with pressure control, filtering and degassing to avoid that air contaminates the print heads. This would cause a white line in the printout. InkSafe, an RFID-controlled protection system, avoids that a wrong ink is filled. The canisters contain 9.5 kg of ink, and the ink supply system buffers another 5 to 6 kg. The operator is informed well in advance and ink can be refilled while the engine is running. Canon has established a close collaboration with a range of leading finishing partners to be able to deliver end-to-end solutions. The ProStream can be operated in a roll-to-roll configuration for maximum flexibility and productivity. In addition, if your workflow is B2 sheet-based, the press can be configured in an inline or nearline cut stack solution. Combinations with inline or nearline collating, stitching or binding solutions are possible as well. The ProStream is a proven solution that allows you to transition your work to the top level of digital inkjet technology. It gives you the benefits of a winning combination: productivity, flexibility, and output quality. There has never been a better time to embrace high-speed inkjet and make it the basis of your digital print strategy for the future. Get ready to offer the best possible service in the market and win new customers with the ProStream 2000 series, a solution that makes print a strong proposition, now and in the future. If you want to learn more about how the ProStream can support your business, you can book an individual product demonstration via your Canon sales representative. Thank you.